If you want to search for a song on the Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can use circle to search. So you can press and hold your finger on the navigation handlebar that we have at the bottom of the screen if you use gestures for navigation, or the home button if you use 3-button navigation instead. So press and hold your finger on the navigation bar or the home button to activate circle to search, and then here at the bottom on this bar you can find this music note icon. You can tap on it to let your phone listen to the audio, to the background, and if there's like any song being played in the background right now, or if you can also sing this song, or if you can hum it or something like that, then you might be able to get a Google search result with the song title. So this is how you can search for a song. However, in addition to that, instead of activating circle to search, you can also use the quick settings panel, and you can add the song search feature over here. So you can use this pen icon on the right side, and then in here you should be able to find the song search option. So we can add it to the list. Let's add it, there we go. And then we can just go to the control center, tap on this button, and we can begin searching the search straight away. And in addition to that, of course, here at the bottom of the screen we have this Google search bar. You can press and hold your finger on the search bar and go to widget settings, and then you should be able to change this shortcut over here. So this is the first shortcut from this side. So by default we have this AI mode, but we can switch that to song search. And then if we go back, you should be able to use the song search button here. And there we go, play, sing, or hum a song to get the song title. And that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.